Hello everyone, welcome to Abode Ideas. Today I am going to talk about one of the most popular and widely used design style, that is minimalist. Minimalist design is based on the idea of less is more. It is characterized by simplicity, clean lines, open layout, neutral color palette, and functionality. Minimalist design emphasizes on using simple essential items and create an uncluttered, cozy, functional home. Natural light is vital in minimalist design style. The idea of minimalism is decluttering of space. Keep the minimum items needed. This design style is without any ornamentation, intricate details, and features. Minimalist furniture focus on functionality and practicality. Clean lines, smooth surfaces with no superfluous decorative detail or feature are the key features of minimalist furniture. Floor space is not cluttered with excess furniture pieces. Sense of continuity and flow is vital element in minimalist design style. Natural materials like wood, stone, marble are used in minimalist design style. Resin and metal are also used for their practicality and easy maintenance. Materials used for furnishings are cotton, wool, linen, silk, jute, etc. Woven fabrics add the much needed texture and warmth to the space. Throw pillows, rugs, curtains uses a mixture of materials and texture but keeping everything streamlined. Neutral and monochromatic colors are usually used in minimalist design style. One or two accent colors are sometimes used in their muted tones instead of vibrant orange or yellow. White, off-white, beige, grey and black are the mostly used colors. Minimalist color palette creates a sense of serenity and tranquility. Free-flowing open space is a vital feature of minimalist home. Large windows, neutral colors of the walls and use of mirror create a sense of openness and spaciousness. Lights coming through the large windows are reflected through the mirrors and light colors of the walls. Glass is also used in partitions so that the openness and fluidity of the space can be maintained. Natural light is given utmost importance in minimalist design style. Large windows allow ample amount of light into the space, making the space feel airy and inviting. For artificial lighting like task light, area light, ambient light, simple clean line fixtures are used with no ornamentation and detailing. As minimalist design style emphasizes simplicity and utility, accessories used are minimum. Items are just not placed for decorating purpose. Rather, each item is picked considering functionality, material, and texture. From curated bookcase to that stone vase, everything has its purpose. Minimalist design style is incomplete without plants. Succulents, monstera, snake plant, cactus, rubber plant, fiddle fig are some of the plants which can be seen in a minimalist home. Minimalist home is sustainable home. It is inspired by Japanese Zen and Scandinavian design style. Minimalist design style is about simplicity, about eliminating that is not necessary, which results in creating a clean and aesthetic look. If you have liked the video, then don't forget to press the like button and do consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.